Market Movers equips you with a single window market scan. Go to Trade Invest. In Trade Invest, go to Market Watch, and from there you can go to Market Movers. You can scan stocks based on exchange like NSE, BSE, NSE FNO, NSE Currency, and so on. You can filter the stocks based on NSE Top Gainer, Top Loser, Top Volume, Top Traded, 52-week high low, and so on. So let's say I select NSE Top Traded stock. It will give me all the top traded stocks with industry, percentage change, high, low, open, close, and etc. What's more, you can also place orders directly from here. Just select the stock in which you want to trade and click on this T icon. You can also select the stock and you can add the stock to the cart. You can also set alert as well as you can start stock SIP directly from Market Movers. So scan stocks using Market Movers today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.